Hey guys, it's Gina, and I'm here to talk to you about lysine. I don't know if you've tried this, but I literally take this everywhere with me. I can't tell you how many jars of I have it, but you will absolutely love it for how soft it makes your lips feel. I'm one of those people that literally always was carrying around chapsticks and things like that, but this lysine ointment literally makes your lips feel so smooth. So it's not like anything that's waxy. It is an ointment, and this has lysine in it, which is great for cold sores. It also has vitamins A, D, and E, and cocoa butter, which makes your lips feel, I would say, luxurious, because they make my lips feel amazing. I will say it's a little embarrassing when people ask me about my little jars, because I have one in my purse, one that I keep in my car, one by my bedside table. I think I have another one in my bathroom vanity. I have them all over the place, but I want to always make sure that I have my little jar with me, and have it ready to go. I will tell you, if you keep it in the car, it does get, like, you see how it's all melted to one side, and that's because it's gotten a little bit heated in the car. It doesn't seem to affect the product at all, but it does kind of settle to one side when it heats up. But I highly recommend, if you're one of those people that likes to keep your lips hydrated and feeling smooth, I definitely think you want to check out. This is another good find, lysine ointment for your lips. I'll see you for the next one.